Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some protein pancakes. They're quick and simple to make with a really delicious flavour and they'll have you satisfied through the morning. Into a bowl we're going to add in the flour, the protein powder, the powdered peanut butter, the baking powder, the maple syrup, the vanilla, a pinch of salt, and the milk. Give it a good mix together until everything is well combined and there are no lumps. Then I just add a few drops of water at a time until I get the desired consistency. To a pan on medium heat, I'm just going to spray that with some non-stick cooking spray. Now I'm sure you all know how to make pancakes, so we're just going to simply spoon the mixture into the pan. Then when bubbles start to form on top of the pancake, we're going to flip it over. Let it cook for a couple of minutes on either side and then simply repeat. Now how you top your pancakes is completely up to you, but as these are peanut butter pancakes, I'm going to add a little bit of jam to the top. Next I'm going to add some blueberries and some raspberries. Then drizzle over some sugar-free maple syrup. Yum! They're so good. One of my go-to breakfasts. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, making sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!